Have you ever thought about your geyser being smart? Like most people, you probably haven't, and you're stuck with your regular old geyser. But your geyser can be smart. Let me show you how. Your geyser is the main culprit behind expensive electricity bills, and unless it's on a timer, it's going to boil all day, costing you money. And that's only the beginning. Your geyser is power hungry because, like a boiling kettle, it has an element that kicks in when your water temperature drops. On top of that, your element is vulnerable to scale buildup over time, making it inefficient, working harder to keep your water hot. Standard geysers usually only have one temperature setting that you can't change unless you want to send your hubby up into the roof, and we all know how that goes. Traditional geysers are prone to leaks and bursts without warning, making you sit on hold with your insurance company for hours. So what makes a smart geyser smart? And how can you make yours smart? Well, a smart geyser has multiple temperature and timer settings, allowing you to control when your water is heated and what temperature your water should be. You can also boost if you need hot water quickly outside of your set times. Worrying about wasting money. Even set it so you have hot water when you return home. Sounds like a dream come true, right? And the best news is you don't even have to replace your existing geyser to turn it into a smart geyser. All you need is an EASIWise Smart Geyser Controller. How does it work? Well, it's easy. We install the SABS-approved EASIWise Smart Geyser Controller. The process is simple and doesn't require any thermostat replacement or any connection to a distribution board. Step 2. Install the app on your Android or iOS Apple smartphone and take control of your geyser. And that's it. You're ready to start saving money. You really have no reason to keep spending big money on your inefficient geyser.